The driving license should be renewed when it expires in a period of time not exceeding 1 month. If the vehicle is equipped with an airbag, the seat belt should be fastened anyway. To drive this vehicle, you need a driving license of trailer or semi-trailer. This indicator is seatbelt use reminder indicator. To drive this vehicle, you need a driving license of motorcycle. To drive this vehicle, you need a driving license of motorcycle. What is the main reason of confusion and distraction while driving? Weak monitoring and collection of the information from the road. To drive this vehicle, you need a driving license of trailer or semi-trailer. This traffic sign means stop sign ahead. This traffic sign means left curve ahead. This traffic sign means bridge ahead. This traffic sign means intersection of side road to the right. This traffic sign means axle load limit. This traffic sign means park places. This traffic sign means caution. This traffic sign means double curve to left. The green light means you should continue driving. When loading into the cargo box, the driver must adhere to the following: fixing the load. The flashing yellow light means give way. What does this road marking mean? Mandatory direction. What does this policeman hand signal mean? Vehicle traffic coming from the left. What does this policeman hand signal mean? Vehicle traffic coming from the right. In case a policeman controls the traffic using hand signals. A1 and A2 are correct. In case the roundabout is equipped with a traffic light signal, it indicates the following: all the answers are correct. The cases where overtaking is not allowed are all the answers are correct. Road users should be alerted that your vehicle is faulty by placing the reflective triangle so that it will be visible from a distance of no less than 100 meters on roads outside cities and 50 meters on roads inside cities. The conditions to overtake safely are all the answers are correct. Some of the fixed obstacles that the drivers sometimes need to overtake. Parked vehicles, Speed limit rules are: all the answers are correct. Speed limit rules are: all the answers are correct. Safe turning conditions are: all the answers are correct. Speed limit rules are: all the answers are correct. Points are automatically cancelled if the driver does not commit any other traffic crime within 1 year from the date of his last violation. True. The driving license is withdrawn for a period of 6 months if the total points reaches 12 points the second time. True. In case of nose bleeding, you must press firmly on both sides of the nose of the injured. True. Overtaking from the right is a violation punishable by 1,000 Qatari riyals. True. Motorcyclists or bicyclists who do not wear a helmet expose themselves to a penalty of 300 Qatari riyals. True. The driving license is withdrawn for a period of 9 months if the total points reaches 10 points the third time. True. The violations that cause the impoundment of the vehicle are: all the answers are correct. There are no vehicles in the opposite direction and I can overtake.